You think you've mastered useState and useEffect? Think again. Even in 2026, junior React developers are still making the same mistakes, slowing apps, breaking renders, and driving them crazy. Today, I'm breaking down 12 real mistakes developers make with useState and useEffect, and how to fix every single one. Let's go. Mistake 1. Forgetting proper initial state setup. Many beginners set state directly with values that depend on props or calculations. Instead, wrap that logic in a function so it runs only once. Const count, set count equals useState. It's cleaner and faster. Mistake 2. Updating state inside useEffect without conditions. That infinite render loop? Yep, you forgot a dependency check. Always specify dependencies properly, or React will re-render forever. Mistake 3. Mutating state directly. Never do state.push or state.value equals something. In React, state must be treated as immutable. Use a copy, set list. Mistake 4. Using useEffect for logic that belongs in events. If you're fetching data every render or syncing stuff that only happens on click, move it out of useEffect. Effects are for side effects, not normal control flow. Mistake 5. Missing cleanup functions. You set up intervals, subscriptions, or listeners, but forget to clear them. That's a memory leak waiting to happen. Always return a cleanup function from your effect. Mistake 6. Wrong dependency arrays. Either too many dependencies or none at all. Rule of thumb. Always list every variable used inside the effect, unless you intentionally want it to run once. Mistake 7. Fetching data incorrectly. Stop putting async functions directly in useEffect. Wrap them inside or define them separately, like this. useEffect, clean and predictable. Mistake 8. Forgetting stale closures. Ever wondered why your state logs old values? That's because your callback is holding on to an outdated closure. Use functional updates instead. Set count. Mistake 9. Using useEffect for computed values. Don't calculate derived data in effects. Compute it directly in render or memoize it with useMemo. Mistake 10. Overusing useEffect. Many devs think everything belongs in an effect. Nope. If it's synchronous or UI only, skip the effect. Less code, fewer bugs. Mistake 11. Not batching state updates. Setting state multiple times in a row? You're wasting renders. Combine updates into one, or use a reducer if logic grows complex. Mistake 12. Ignoring React DevTools warnings. React literally tells you what's wrong. Dependency issues, cleanup problems, re-render loops. But devs skip them. Stop ignoring those yellow warnings. They save hours. So yeah, React's useState and useEffect are powerful, but also easy to misuse. Master these 12 rules, and your apps will run smoother, your code cleaner, and your brain a lot less fried. Which of these mistakes have you made before? Be honest. Drop your number in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Next, we're diving into advanced useMemo and use callback tricks for 2026.